So guys, if you're having trouble your alarm clock, this is what I'm going to show you. I know it's about clocks, but I'm going to show you the machine inside. So stick around. Hey guys, my name is Patrick Frustrated Actor. Oh, you should go to the TikTok because I made full ones. Yeah, so you definitely check it out. Okay, so this is not easy, so you can lose things. Here you go. Here's that one. It stops ticking. I know, guys. This is $90. Since you guys didn't heard that, here's my here's the other one, and now oh gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. There you go. Really? Oh gosh. Stuck. That's not good. Oh, I can tell that's not good. There you go. Here's the engine. So this is the engine for this. Let me screw it on. Here's the engine of that machine. And here's the front of the machine. If I put it down there, you guys can really see the well, I was just going to call it the engine, but it's not, it's the thingy. And it stop and watch. It keeps on going. I'm fixing the machine. If I go for... Oh wait. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, go follow me on the TikTok and There you go. Go follow me on my TikTok and follow me on my TikTok. It's called the @frustrated actor. Patrick the frustrated actor. Oh my goodness gracious me, clock. There you go. So I will be sharing this clock with you guys. And then thing, peace out. Oh, by the way, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe. Peace out.